And Morris Hall client, yeah. Have been for quite a few years now. These are just some of the little name carvings I make. I put an eyelet on there so it can be hung on a Christmas tree, which a lot of people do. My main contact here at Morris Hall. Picture of a cat on the top. That's all one piece of wood. Overall, I've probably done over 100 of them. Like the one says, well, how do you get them all glued together? I said, that's one piece of wood.
Thank you. That took some work.
But this one,
Oh, there you go.
you don't probably never be able to find your name that way in other places. I've got an American Eagle about this big. I've been working on for about 8 years.
That is great. Well, thank you. That's
Yeah.
neat. I love that.
It says he's going to be 90 years old. I would have never guessed.
October.
You know, I told you this before, but I think you're lying.
No, I got proof of it.
Good to see you. Thank
Same
you.
here too.
You're sure you're a good man.